So this is the first song that, after we met Fred and Limp Bizkit and everything with that, we went down. You know what? I'm not asking you to yell that. You know, if Fred Durst sucks, then I'm not supposed to be here. He fucking found me, dude. He's the one that, after we had approached every single fucking record company out there, actually showed some interest in us and got us a record deal. So, fuck Fred Durst, I say go fuck yourself. How about that? So this song is the first song that I played for him when we drove like 30 hours from Massachusetts down to Florida. And this is the song that I was supposed to play instead of playing outside, which obviously I'm very thankful that I played outside. But this is the song that I was supposed to play. It's called Black Rain. Black rain beats against my door, chips away the worry, wash away all that's pure, comes in violent flurries, light the candles as we speak, it puts them out in stride, saturating all that's weak, it stains your soul inside. Black rain, wash away the pain that is a stain upon my window pane. Black moon burns upon my face, cancer comes to surface, can't remember time nor place, can't seem to scratch the surface, the flowers wilt and fade away, with no time to repent, as we dance around in vast array, like ants on hot cement. Black moon, the end is soon, we see our doom and hide within our gloom. Listen. Black rain, black rain.